3D Moisture Infusion is an incredible mask for hydrating, plumping, soothing the skin. This uses a biocellulose technology, which is very different to fabric masks, to gauze masks that you may have come across in the sort of individual sachets. Biocellulose has tiny, tiny fibres that are about 400 times smaller than the fibres found in fabric masks. This means that when it goes onto the skin, they can almost fall into every single fold, every pore, every crease in the skin, and sit almost like a second skin, which gives you much more enhanced absorption and treatment and better results. When you take it out of the sachet, you'll see there are 3 different layers. You just peel off the gauze on one side, and you'll see the biocellulose sits in the middle. You peel off the other gauze, or you can leave that on and peel it once it's on the face. And if you look at the texture of the biocellulose, it's almost like a sort of gum, and it sits on the skin, it melts into the skin. It's cooling. I mean, it feels gorgeous when it goes on, and it literally falls into every little crease and fold. So if you imagine when your skin is dehydrated, when you can see the crepiness, you can see the texture of your skin, this is literally going to sort of seal into all of that, infuse with hyaluronic acid, pentavitin, all of your incredible moisture magnets. But also what we've done with this is we've taken a lot of the technology used in our skincare treatments so that we can use this mask on the skin directly post a peel. So for that real soothing, calming, hydrating, we could use this after a clinical peel treatment. So if you've got any sensitivity, any heat in the skin, if you've used something your skin doesn't agree with, pop this on straight away. It will just form that second skin seal and infuse your skin with moisture. And then when you've finished, all you do literally is you peel off and you just drop that in the bin and look at how your skin looks.